Okay, in my previous video, what I was trying to calculate was one single instance of the binomial distribution. In this case, I have a more elaborate question. So what if I'm trying to calculate the probability of x less than or equals to 8? That means I have to calculate all these probabilities. Now, obviously, if you are studying binomial distributions, you would know that there's an easier way to calculate all of this as well. And that is by doing this. Instead of trying to calculate the probabilities from 1 to 8, what you could do is you could subtract the probability of 9 and 10 on a calculator on from 1 and get your answer. Now, even writing this on a calculator is tedious. Why? Because doing this manually on a calculator by writing the entire expression is tedious because it's going to take a lot of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to quickly put this on a calculator without wasting any time and how to get to your final answer by just pressing a few buttons. So you go to menu, you go to 7, you use your binomial probability distribution, and now you make a list. I want the probabilities of 9 and 10. I press another equals to, takes me to n, that is 10, and the probability of success is 0.9. And here I am. I have the numbers. I can just put them like that. Okay, and change my mode and get my final answer. My final answer, 0.264. Now, remember that your calculator was also capable of calculating this value directly, and I'm going to show that to you. How to do this directly on a calculator. You go to menu, you go to 7, you scroll down, and you have binomial CD. So what you do in that case is you press variable. When you put in 8, since I've done a cumulative distribution, what the calculator is going to do is calculate all the probabilities from 0 to 8 and give you this final answer. Let's see. 10.9. Same answer, 0.2639, 0.264.